Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Geek with Glasses. Today we are going to be taking a look at the iFi 8GB SSD card. The model that we're actually going to be looking at today is the iFi Expolore X2. And the Expolore X2, again, like I said, comes in an 8GB capacity. It is an SDHD, which runs at a class 6. I believe the statistics online say it's roughly a 15 megabits per second transfer rate on this specific model. So this is going to be really good for, you know, taking your digital photography, maybe some action sequences where you've got a shutter speed or you're taking a lot of pictures in a row. But I'm not necessarily sure that this is going to work super well for HD video recording if your digital camera or camcorder that you may be using this in does a full HD video. It should work out okay, but for the main purpose of using this in a digital camera so that you can geotag your photos and share with the different online services, this Class 6 card should be a good way to go. So let's take a look at what we get in the features of the X2. So obviously, the most standout feature of the iFi cards is the built-in networking, which connects. This happens to have an 802.11n wireless card inside of it, so you're going to get nice, fast, high-speed transfer rates if you're actually on an N network. Obviously, it's backward compatible with a B or a G network. And this unit actually is also a geotagging capable unit, so as you're out and taking photos with your camera, it's reading off of the GPS and it's going to actually geotag where those photos have been taken. So if you're using an application like iPhoto or Picasa or any other application that will put in map data or geotagged information, you'll be able to see on a map where you took all of the photos with this device. So it's compatible with lots of the online social websites. You can upload directly from this card to sites like Picasa, Facebook, YouTube, MobileMe, Flickr, and a couple of others that aren't actually shown on the back of the box. But it's really cool. This one actually supports the Expolore X2 model, actually supports what they call an endless storage feature, and what that actually allows you to do is if you are on a wireless network and you are shooting pictures from your camera, as those pictures are uploaded to your computer or to your file sharing, it will remove them off of the device. Therefore, you never really run out of 8 gigs. As long as it's uploading the photos, it removes it once it's been stored onto either a computer or a website, and then it removes it so you free up that space so you can take a lot more photos on the device. So let's take a look at what we get inside. Nice little packaging. Slip out the bottom and pop over the top here. This is just a little a storage, a display unit. The actual card is here. So what you get is you get this nice little USB reader, and you're not required to use the USB reader to transfer the files back and forth. However, you do need to use this reader so that you can plug it into your computer and do an initial setup and get all of those, the network that you're going to run it on set up and any of the social networking sites, so that you can basically set this card up to work online. So that's what you need this transfer for. Once you have this in the camera, you can do like normal if you're using a micro USB, just plug it into the camera and transfer the files off. So there's the card, 8GB, class 6 plus Wi-Fi, again 802.11n. That just slips in like that, and it comes with a nice little setup guide and user's manual, which I don't like the fact that they actually glued this to the back. Well, oh well. So, and then the user manual is your typical, you know, 15, 16 different languages that you'll never read, and then the one language that you will read. So that's pretty much it. You don't get a whole heck of a lot in the box. It's got some nice packaging. This is the main star of the show here. And what we're going to do is we're going to set this up, and I'm going to use this with my Canon T1i, my digital SLR camera. I purchased this because I'm getting ready to go on my honeymoon and get married, and I wanted to have geotagging capabilities with this. One other feature that the Expolore X2 comes with, there's a bunch of different models. There's the Explorer, the X2, the Connect, and the Pro. But one of the features that comes with the Expolore X2, which is the second to highest level of product that they sell, is the ability for 1 full year of free hotspot connectivity. So things like Starbucks, McDonald's, and T-Mobile, I think. I'm not sure if it's T-Mobile or AT&T, but you get 1 full year of hotspot capability, because again, if you're out and about, let's say I'm walking around the island of Curacao on my honeymoon, and I happen to stumble by a Starbucks, my Wi-Fi card will automatically connect to that and start uploading photos to a network sharing site of my choice, if I choose so to do that. So that's another really cool capability of the Wi-Fi SSD cards. So we're going to go slap this into the camera and get it all set up and take a look at the capabilities, and maybe we'll do another review of how the software works on a Mac. And if you have any further questions about the Wi-Fi cards and what they offer, visit them online, and that's ifi.com. And as always, thanks for watching the show, and any support that you want to provide would be great. You can follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/geekwithglasses. You can also get us on Twitter, and that's twitter.com/geekwithglasses. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for your support. Bye-bye.